guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is computer upgrades. I don't know how many of you guys have built computers lately, but it's quite a task to figure out what you need. There's so much variety of parts and it's so complicated. You just need someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to getting the right product and assemble it correctly. So I got to send out a thanks to my friend and co-worker Wesley Vanderhook, who designed my computer and actually took the time to assemble it and fine-tune it. He got a real passion for building computers, and he done a terrific job with this one. I'll show it to you in a little while, and I'm extremely happy with it. If any of you guys need a little work with your computers, contact me and we'll see if he can help you out. It's something he does in his spare time, and thank you, Wes. I appreciate it very much. And here it is, my laptop. I'm not sure if the laptop is more exciting or this fuzzy microphone I got. Either way, I find a laptop very useful, especially when you're out and you're maybe on a trip somewhere. You do your videos, you have a place to store all your videos and things of that nature. But I just prefer, when I'm working on my videos or any big projects, I prefer a big screen on a regular computer. You could hook an extra monitor to this one if you wanted to, but I find there's a place for a laptop and then there's a place for a big computer, and that's just my own choice. And here it is, guys. 3 chairs. I got room for 3 more subscribers. I'll try to squeeze you in, do the best you can. If you got time, just hit the subscribe button and maybe you'll get on one of the new seats. Good luck. Reason number 2 for my upgrade. This is a computer I built about 5 years ago, approximately 4 or 5 years ago. It's still a fairly good system, although it's not capable of being upgraded to Windows 11. It would need a processor change and a few things like that. So rather than change the processor and the board and upgrade the video card again and things of that nature, it's just as well to just start off from scratch and build a really nice computer. That is why I did what I did. So here it is. Good little system, but time to be retired. And here it is, guys. This is the finished product. Thanks, Wes, for building the such a terrific computer for me. You see the lights all changing in the back there. I preferred to have them toned down, but he can put all kinds of lighting systems in there. And there's my 32-inch 4K LG monitor. I would get into all the details and everything on the parts that are in here, but that's a whole bunch of numbers and letters and things that really don't mean much to most people unless you're really into computers. So if you're interested in that, just contact me and I will help you out with that information. There she be. And for all people who want to subscribe, just remember, we still have the 3 chairs there for 3 subscribers. We're filling up fast. I think I'm up to 31 subscribers now. Holy moly, we're smoking. Anyway, here it is. Take care, guys.